is the saw blade block. It finishes at 6 inches square. And for this demo, I'm using 2 different fabrics, but you can easily scrap it up. You can use different mediums and darks of blues, or you can just mix it up all dark colors on one side, and in the background you can mix it up with lights. But for here, it's easier to do 2 different fabrics. This is how you cut the pieces. This piece is 2 inches by 6.5 inches, and then you need 4 half square triangles that finish at 1.5 inches. Now you can use any method you like for making the half square triangles. There is a video I've done, and you can click up above, and it shows you how to do 4 at a time half square triangles or 8 at a time half square triangles. If you use the AccuQuilt die, you can use the cube, the 6-inch cube and die number 5 to use to make the half square triangles. And this last piece is cut 3.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Sew your half square triangles together and make sure you watch the placement of the points. Sew the dark strip to the long edge of the half square triangles and the light strip toward the pointy edge of the half square triangles, and then your block is finished. I like to put 4 blocks together to make a 12-inch finished block. It's easier to handle, I think, with bigger blocks than the 6-inch blocks. And here I'm making a quilt of valor, so I'm doing red, white, and blue. And you can set these straight like this, and it really looks good on point. If you download the instructions from the description below this video, you'll have 4 different versions of this quilt. 2 of them are straight, and 2 of them are on point.